As you complete your work, turn off the table saw and remain until the blade has stopped. Then lower the blade. 13. Clean your workstation with a dustpan and vacuum after use. So now that you know how to use a table saw, or know the safety for it, I'm going to need this board down an inch on the side and some sorting in this haphazard mess of a storage unit. You think you got that?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. Good luck.
You said this board, right?
Yeah, that one.
Don't forget your safety equipment.
I don't need any of that. My dad never uses it.
Are you sure?
I'm 100% positive. You
Okay,
see the supervisor?
I'm still wearing
Supervisor's
mine.
not here.
I'm still wearing mine.
Well, I'm gonna start cutting then. Let me align it perfect. Well, I don't need these. Get in the way.
Hey, look at this. What next? Oh my God!
That's why you stay focused at work.